So, nalatay ko egg with spring onion. So, Inday vlogs, Inday is she like very crispy. So, that's why I make it this one crispy. I doing this one make it crispy. Because she like to eat egg crispy. So, that's why I making like this.